What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at and reviewing a phone accessory that I think everyone needs. This video is going to be a short video in partnership with smartdevil to review their latest iPhone tempered glass screen protector. Now smartdevil is an international brand with over 1.7 billion global users of their products. They manufacture all kinds of accessories and gadgets for everyday use, including wireless earbuds, portable mini humidifiers, desk fans, and just a bunch of other everyday use gadgets, including this tempered glass screen protector. Now smartdevil did send me this easy to install screen protector to review in this short video. So stay tuned and we'll check this thing out to see how easy it is to install and how well it works. Okay, so first things first, if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel for all of my latest unboxing and product reviews. I'd really appreciate the support and help. In addition to that, please do leave me any comments you might have for any products that you might want me to review on this channel in the future. Now, as mentioned previously, smartdevil did send this iPhone tempered glass screen protector 3-pack to me to demo and review on this channel. Now, according to them, this screen protector offers dust and bubble-free installation, which I hope is the case since it is tempered glass, as well as crystal clear HD visibility once it's applied. Now, this particular pack is made for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, but they do have options for plenty of other iPhone models available on their website for a pretty affordable price. So let's go ahead and start by unboxing this to see what we get in the package. Okay, so in the box you do get the envelope, which includes your tempered screen, which does feel pretty solid. So it is in a protected little sleeve. You do also get your warranty card. And then you get 2 sets of film installation toolkits. And then I believe this is the installer. So it's nice that not only does it come with the tempered screen, but it also does come with an installation kit as well as this little device that helps you install the screen itself. Okay, so I do have my iPhone 15 Pro Max here, and in it there are some micro fractures that are barely visible. So this kit is perfect for me because I already do have some micro fractures from dropping this phone a number of different times. Okay, so we're going to use one of the installation kits first, and we'll just open that up. Okay, so step 1 says use number 1 wet wipes to clean the screen, and then wipe the screen dry with number 2 dry towel. And then use number 3 dust removal sticker to remove the dust. So all of these little parts are labeled. So you'll have your number 1 cleaning wipes, your number 2 dust cloth, and your number 3 dust sticker. Okay, so now for the install, I'm going to just make sure that I leave it on a darker screen because then I can see the fingerprints, which there are many of. So I'm going to take number 1 cleaning wipes, and I'm going to wipe the screen down. Okay, then I'm going to take number 2, the cleaning cloth or the dry cloth, dust cloth. And then number 3, I'm going to take the dust sticker, peel it off, and just apply it to the phone to remove any potential dust particles. Okay, so step 2. Place the dust-free box in the direction and the phone is actually very secure and doesn't move. And then you hold it firmly in place and then you pull it out. Okay. And then you lift it up and then you pull off the top. So easy as pie. So now the tempered glass is perfectly placed. Okay, so as you can see, there are no air bubbles, there's no dust at all, and it's completely clear, and it doesn't even look like there's any kind of tempered glass on there or any kind of screen protector on there. Looks just like my iPhone case itself. And as you can see, it is super responsive, and it's as if there is no screen protector on it as well. And then what's nice about this screen protector is that it also serves as a privacy screen as well. So if I look at it from the corners, I can't actually see what's on the phone itself. But if I'm looking directly at it, it's super clear. So it is also a nice accessory from a privacy and security perspective. And again, it is super responsive and does not take away any of the motion tracking or finger tracking from the phone itself. So very easy to install and very durable. And it does add a layer of security, especially for someone like me who keeps dropping his phone, from scratches and other little damages as well. So it is not scratching. I don't see any marks on it from running my knife over it. So really durable and easy to install, as the marketing information says. So definitely something that's worthwhile. So not only do you get additional screen protectors, but you also do get this pretty cool little screen protector installation accessory that you get to keep and reuse pretty much on any phone that you need to install a screen protector for. So anytime you do need to purchase additional screen protectors and install them, or if you have other phones that you need to install a screen protector for, you've got this reusable accessory. So overall, for the price, I think it's a pretty nice kit that you get, and it is super easy to install and works very well. Now, if you are going to install additional protective screens on other phones, or even if you're replacing the protective screen on your existing phone, there are additional protective screens included in the package that you can use, and they all are labeled independently. So you'll see it's labeled top with the steps of instructions on the screen itself. All you have to do is take the accessory that came with the kit, and you'll notice that there is a little bit of an adhesive sticker on the bottom of this that you can reuse. But what you're going to do is just place the new tempered screen inside the kit itself. And then all you have to do is, again, place the new phone on there, go through the whole cleaning process, stick it on there and pull it out, and it's just as easy as that. So I've already gone ahead and set this up for my next phone, and that's all you got to do. Now, what's also nice about this kit is that it comes with a limited 3-year warranty to protect you from any kind of damage or any kind of installation issues such as dust or bubbles, so that if you do experience any of those issues, then they will replace the screen under that warranty. Anyways, I'd like to once again thank smartdevil for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. And thank you also for sending me this tempered glass screen protector kit to try out and review on this channel. Now, even though this is a sponsored video, I do think it is well worth purchasing this tempered glass kit, or even some sort of screen protector kit for your phone. After all, your phone is a very expensive investment, and it's accessories like these that will help you keep them safely operating for years to come. Now, as of this recording, I've installed this on other phones that I own, and I've been using it for the past couple of weeks, and it's proven to be a really durable and reliable product. I can't count how many times the tempered glass has helped me protect my phone from scratches since I've installed it. And then even better, something else that I've noticed and realized and didn't expect is that this tempered glass is actually pretty fingerprint resistant. So that's an added feature I did not expect, but I definitely appreciate. Now, if you want one of these inexpensive kits for yourself, I'll leave a link to it in the description section below so that you can purchase this kit from Amazon for an amazing price of a little under $19. There's also an option to purchase kits for other iPhone versions as well using that link. Anyways, Thanks for checking out this short review video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful and want to see more product unboxing and review content. Please make sure to also ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.